Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by J B McKim in 1876. Black has the king, a bishop, a pawn, and the rook. White has the king, the rook, the knight, bishop, pawn, and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? Moving the queen to A8 only gets you a checkmate in 4, not 3. Black does a random move. You can move the queen to F8 to checkmate in 2. But black can delay their mate by checking your king with their rook. You can take back with the knight. They can then block with the bishop. This allows you to move in for the mate in 4 after black is forced to push the pawn. Taking the pawn with your queen is only a checkmate in 4. Black can check your king with their rook. You can take back with the knight. Black can then move their bishop, delaying the mate further. The black king can take your rook, and then you can move in for the checkmate in 4 by moving your queen to F6. Moving your queen to A1 doesn't get you a mate in 3 either. Black can move their bishop. You can then do a reveal check with the king, but black can block with the rook. Queen can take the rook, but then the king has an escape square. You can check again with the queen. If the king moves to E8, you can then finally mate in 5 with the rook. Moving the queen to A3 doesn't get you a mate in 3. Unless black does a strange move, you can then mate in 2. But black can delay the mate by pushing the pawn and then checking your king with the rook. So you don't get a mate in 3 this way either. Alright, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 3 for white, you actually need to move the queen to B7, taking the rook. Black is unable to move the bishop because it's pinned, or the king has to push the pawn. You then have to move the bishop out of the way, otherwise it would be a stalemate. You need to move the bishop to H1, so this allows the black king to take your knight. Then you can move in for the checkmate in 3 with the queen to G2 move. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.